Eddy current separator for e-waste, PCB grinding waste. We have conducted a trial of our newly developed eddy current separator. You can see the PCB grinding waste as a material. In processing lines, the material is fed from the vibratory feeder. You can see the magnetic material is ejected with the help of our magnetic roll. The material moves on conveyor belts towards the magnetic rotor where aluminium and other metal is separated from the plastic-coated foil. You can see how the metals are extracted from the waste. Final metals which are separated from the material. Plastic foil after the separation process. Our eddy current separator is the most advanced non-ferrous metal separator in the market. Jaykrishna Magnetics Pvt Limited is a leading eddy current separator manufacturer in India. To know more about our eddy current separator, visit our website www.magnetic.com.